good morning everyone. So today I would like to present to you my video material about analysis and design of work on human resource planning presented by Marita Yola Alpadenta. So happy watching guys. So here are the learning objectives that we will talk about today. So the first one is workflow analysis and organization structure. The first one is workflow, work output, and work input. Work output are the tangible products or service product by a unit requiring defined quality and quantity standards. Work process involves tasks and procedures used to create this output, often assigned by teams for efficiency, skill diversity, and error reduction. And then work input include raw materials, equipment, and human resources needed for a production. Lean production minimizes inventory for efficiency but reduces flexibility. Equipment transform materials, while skilled human resources, including customers, are crucial. Companies like IBM optimize global talent to match skill with needs efficiently. And here are the organization structure. The first one is dimension of structure. It's defined by centralization, decision making, authority at the top or distributed, and departmentalization, grouping by function or workflow. And the second one is structural configuration. Combine high centralization with specialized departments, requiring controlled decision-making to manage conflict and maintaining organizational alignment. And the next one is structure and the job nature of jobs. Centralized and functional structures limit decision-making authority, requiring experienced managers in divisional structure. Structural choices affect fairness perception, relationship, and accountability. Organization must align job design with overall workflow and strategy. And the next one is job analysis, the building block of HRM. Job analysis refers to the process of getting detailed information about jobs. The process has deep historical roots going all the way back to school rates. The nature and source of job analysis information. Job analysis include job description, TDR, and job specification, KSAOs. Information is gathered from job incumbent, supervisor, customers, and external analysis to ensure accuracy. So here is the jobs analysis method. The first one is job analysis interview. Job analysis interviews are usually conducted using a job analysis questionnaire to provide consistency in the type of data collection. Across all jobs being analyzed, the process may be done by a professional job analysis or an in-house job analysis committee under the guidance of HRM. The second one is observation and self-reports. Job analysis combines interview, observation, and self-report like diaries or work logs to understand job activities, work environment, and interruption. Automated logs such as call record can also provide valuable insight. And then the third one is the National Occupational Classification. The NOC system standardizes job descriptions, aiding HR planning, requirement, and compensation by linking jobs to labor market data. Tools like COPS and JobsBank help forecast labor trends and support proactive workforce planning. So this is the position analysis questionnaire, which is PAQ. The first one is information input, second one is mental process, the third one is work output, the fourth one is relationship with other person, and then the job context, and then the last one is other characteristic. And the dynamic elements of job analysis. Job evolve over time due to the changing condition and personal adjustment, often making job description outdated. The trend of the jobbing shift focus from fixed role to adaptable work needs. Economic downturns and downsizing also reshape job structure, impacting employee commitment and turnover. The job design. Mechanistic approach is identifying the simplest way to structure work that maximizes efficiency. The motivational approach focuses on the job characteristics that affect physiological meaning and motivational potential, and it views attitudinal variables such as satisfaction, intrinsic motivation, job involvement, and behavioral variables. The perceptual motor approach focuses on human mental capabilities and limitations. And the ergonomics, the science of creating a proper fit between people and their work, taking into account safety, comfort, ease of use, productivity and performance, and also the aesthetic. Human resource planning. Labor markets are influenced by global, political, and economic factors, creating challenges and opportunities for firms. To gain a competitive advantage, companies must assess the current workforce, anticipate future needs, and implement strategies to address labor surplus or shortage. The human resource planning process. The forecasting. Forecasting predicts labor shortage or surpluses using statistical and judgmental method for accuracy. And this is the example of determining labor surplus or shortage. Improving job design and HR planning using HRM information system and EHRM. Employees gain complete control over their training and benefits enrollment, and employees and managers to access information and knowledge as needed when they're making decisions. The creation of paperless employee or personnel affairs and information resides in a virtual environment. Streamlining of the HRM department's work, for example, delivering past tips online, allowing employees and managers to select the type of media they want to use to send and receive information such as a newsletter, pay stub, and payment. Flexibility in many cases. Work can be completed at any time and place, and close monitoring of employee work. The case from Bleak Blue to Efficient Blue. During the 1990s, downsizing became a common business practice as technology, globalization, and forced companies to adapt risk becoming obsolete. Kodak failed to embrace change and suffered, while IBM successfully transitioned. IBM's HRM functions, once large and decentralized, once streamlined into a single centralized unit. Technology replaced face-to-face interaction with a three-tier system handling employee inquiries. The company restructuring demonstrated the potential for HRM to drive corporate success through strategic adaptation. For the first question, changed job description in Broadway workplace. Job description is result-only work environment, which should focus on tasks and schedule to measure outcomes and key performance indicators. And legal concern of HRM challenges. HRM must ensure compliance with labor laws such as wage and hour regulation, overtime, eligibility, and workplace safety. And for the third question, is impacting the HRM activities such as performance management and human resource planning. The fourth is best fit job design approach. ROE aligns best with the motivational approach to job design as it emphasizes autonomy, mastery, and purpose. And for the last question is culture in ROE workplace, which is based by four challenges like lack of team cohesion and managing accountability. In conclusion, strategic human resource management plays a crucial role in optimizing organization structure, job design, and workforce planning to align with business objectives. Effective job analysis and design enhance efficiency, motivation, and adaptability, while HR planning ensures the right balance of labor supply and demand. The integration of HR information system streamline process, involve decision-making, and enhance employee engagement. Companies that embrace strategic HR transformation, such as IBM, demonstrate how workforce adaptability can drive long-term success. Ultimately, align HR strategies with organizational goals foster productivity, innovation, and a competitive advantage in a dynamic business environment.